Hello. As you all know, I went to the chiropractor 3 or 4 weeks ago, and you already know how that went. It feels nice.
What is it?
I can't explain it. My mom did not get the chiropractor cracking my back. I am finally giving y'all the long-awaited part 2. So, and this time it is the back cracking. So, let us watch the back cracking begin, I guess.
Breathe in and breathe out. On your side towards me. Other side. Plug it in right here. There it goes. The video might be jerking my back now.
It's okay.
I need to let your head rest on the table. There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Mm-hmm.
I bet I'll go or not. Okay.
It's the neck that throws me off every time. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
I hope y'all liked the back cracking this time. If you did, comment down below and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.